After a hectic Saturday, I decided to make Sunday a study day. I wake up at 8 am and spend around 20 minutes on the bed watching some random YouTube videos until I finally make myself onto my desk to do some productivity. Hello friends, my name is Venkatesh. I'm a chartered accountant student working as an article assistant, and the subject I chose is advanced accounting, and the first chapter is amalgamation and absorption. So let's start. This chapter deals with accounting for amalgamations and to account for resultant goodwill or reserves. It has two types: amalgamation by way of merger and amalgamation by way of purchase. What is amalgamation by way of merger? If assets and liabilities are taken over at the book values by the purchasing company of the selling company, if equity shareholders become equity shareholders of the purchasing company by at least 90%, if equity shareholders are paid by way of equity shares in purchasing company, if there is continuity of the business, and if the assets and liabilities are taken over at book values, then it's amalgamation by way of merger. If at least one condition is not satisfied, then it's amalgamation by way of merger. It's as simple as it is. It also deals with the treatment of goodwills, reserves, net payments method, net assets method, intrinsic value, mutual owings, etc. etc. And I get down to get a parcel from Amazon, and you could see me. I'm stuck in the rain. The time is 12:15 and I stay there for about half an hour until 12:45, and as soon as I get home, I start with the next chapter, which is banking companies. It deals with accounting for banking companies. It deals with the compliances, policies, restrictions put by RBI that should be complied by all the banks, the reserves they need to maintain, accounting for bills discounting, capital framework of the banks, etc. It also deals with provisioning norms for different assets like standard assets, substandard assets, doubtful assets, loss assets, if it is secured, unsecured, agricultural sector, real estate sector, and more on this topic. And after doing banking companies for 2 hours, I went on to get a shower. Still 6 more chapters and 12 accounting standards to do. I'll go get myself a shower and be back ASAP. And the next, I went on with accounting standards. I start with AS4, which deals with contingencies and events occurring after balance sheet. It deals with treatment of events occurring after balance sheet date, but before the statements are signed by the approving authority, appropriate authority. It has two types. One is adjusting events or non-adjusting events. Adjusting events are those events that require some adjustments to be made to financial statements as on 31st of March. Non-adjusting events are those events that do not require any adjustments to be made, but a disclosure needs to be made in director's report. And after finishing AS4, I finish AS5, AS7. I do skipping for about half an hour. Having sat the whole day, I feel a physical activity is required, and then I start with liquidation of companies. It is a process of bringing a company to an end. It deals with procedures to be followed while liquidating. A liquidator is usually appointed who takes care of all the proceedings. This chapter talks about the priority of payments needs to be made at the time of liquidation. The first priority needs to be given to liquidation expenses and then to liquidators' remuneration, and then the priority goes to secured creditors and then preferential creditors and then secured creditors by way of floating charge, for example debentures, and unsecured creditors and preference shareholders, and if there is any remaining, it goes to equity shareholders. You know, hydrating is really important while studying, so I always have a bottle next to me. And after doing this, I get on to do some accounting standards again. I finish with AS5, AS4, AS9 and AS7 practical problems. After solving practical problems, I do revision of everything I had done from the morning, which is amalgamation, liquidation and banking companies and some AS. Whatever I had studied, I went on to revise the stuff because revision is really important to help us retain the knowledge for a longer period. After revising for about 2 to 3 hours, I get to do a new chapter, which is internal reconstruction. What is internal reconstruction? Where affairs of the company are realigned without liquidating the company and without forming a new company. It's just internal reconstruction. External reconstruction is something that happens by creating a new company. Internal reconstruction is doing the reconstruction within the company. There are various methods like alteration of share capital or variation of shareholders' rights, reduction of share capital, compromise or arrangements, and surrender of shares. And this is a very simple chapter. You have to know the concepts clear and you will ace in this chapter. And again, I hop on to remaining accounting standards, which are AS 17, AS 18, AS 19. I managed to finish 3 AS. AS 17 establishes principles for reporting financial statements about different types of products or services if the company is into one, and different geographical areas in which it operates, and the different whole new categories of problems, and a different set of problems needs to be solved in this chapter. And the next is AS 18, which establish reportings for disclosures of related party relationship transactions between reporting enterprise and related parties. After finishing AS 18, I hop on to do AS 19, which is for leases, appropriate disclosures related to finance leases and operating leases, a whole new different category of sums in this chapter alone. After solving problems on AS 19 for 2 hours, the time was already 2 o'clock.
Having completed 5 chapters, 6 AS, I feel really productive. What I want to conclude in this video is, if you don't want to read a book, you don't have to. There are different ways by which you can gain the knowledge. By the same way, if you don't want to read the subject, if you don't want to study the chapter, there are different ways by which you can gain the knowledge, by which you can get foundation of the chapter, and then when you start reading the chapter, you would get the taste of it. By saying this, I would conclude. Thank you for watching this video. It's your boy, Venki. Until then, see you soon.